Hello, this is Daniel with Badger Welder. Today with the Badger Welder, we're going to do a strength test. We're going to weld these three pieces of metal together to see how much weight it can hold. For today's test, we're going to be using 1/8 inch steel, and we're going to be welding together in flux core mode. So we're going to start with unwinding our welder here. Grab the grounding clamp, clamp it to your table or your material you're going to weld. Pull out your whip, uncoil that a little bit, loosen your spool holder, and flip it to weld. All right, let's go see how much weight we can add to it now. One Badger welder. Two Badger welders. One Daniel. One Brady. One Brady and a welder. One Brady and two Badger welders. One Daniel and one Brady. One Brady, one Daniel, and a Badger welder.
We could do more.
We
done
could.
2 welders.
That's a good number, though. It is 375, almost 400 pounds. So after that, we found out the welds from the Badger welder can hold at least 375 pounds.
And that's why the Badger welder produces strong welds, making it nice for off-roading, construction, farming, just about any type of portable welding needs. For more information on the Badger welder, you can visit us at badgerwelder.com.